This video is on chiral molecules. Chirality is the concept of handedness. Now, look at your left hand. Now look at your right hand. What is their relationship? Well, they are mirror images of each other. When you try to put them on top of each other, they do not match completely. You'll always either have the knuckles on the wrong side or your palm on the wrong side. So they're not the same, hence we have a left hand and a right hand. Well, just as your left hand is the mirror image of your right hand, molecules can have mirror image structures that are non-superimposable. They are not the same. Chiral molecules tend to have a carbon atom with 4 different groups attached to it. So for example, in this structure here, this carbon has chlorine, hydrogen, a methyl group, and an ethyl group bonded to it. We would refer to this carbon as a chiral center. Now let's draw the mirror image of it. Okay, notice that clearly we can't just put them on top of each other, so we're going to have to rotate one of them. Once we rotate it, you will notice that in one of them the chlorine is pointing outwards, whilst in the other one the chlorine is pointing inwards. They are non-superimposable mirror images. A pair of non-superimposable mirror images are called enantiomers. Compounds that are not chiral are referred to as achiral. To determine if a molecule is chiral, we must examine its symmetry. If there is a plane of symmetry, a molecule cannot be chiral. So if you see symmetry, it is achiral. As you can see in these 3 structures, there's clearly a plane of symmetry. Note that in the dichloromethane, the line of symmetry is along the plane of the screen. Now you practice. State whether these compounds are chiral or achiral and put a star where your chiral center is located. You may pause now. And here are the answers.